What's going on, guys? So today I needed a light, so I went to Walmart and I got this Hyper Tough 500 watt halogen work light. It took me like 45 minutes to figure out how to put this thing together. It didn't come assembled, and I'm not even sure if I got it completely right. I didn't have a wrench, so I couldn't really tighten these bolts at the bottom as much as I wanted to, only because I'm too lazy to go outside to my the trunk of my car and get my tools. But yeah, this light is pretty awesome. I haven't tried many Hyper Tough products before, but it says that it is lightweight foam covered grip, which is true. One 500 watt halogen light included, yep. And the bulb life is 2,000 to 4,000 hours, which is pretty good. So on the back of this is a little button, and when you click it, it lights up. This thing is pretty bright, and just putting my hand in front of it a little bit, it's emitting a really good amount of heat. It's heating up my hand a lot. It's actually I think it's burning the dust because it was kind of smoking a little bit ago. But I'm gonna turn it off for a second. There we go. But yeah, this is a really good light. I would recommend it. I haven't gotten a really good chance to use it yet, but I'll do an update video, or I'll post in the description in a little bit after I get some use out of it and let you guys know how it holds up and everything. But yeah, if you guys could do me a favor and like this video and check out the rest of my channel and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. And let me know if there's any other products that you'd like me to do reviews on. Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, well, have a good rest of the day. Good looking out. Peace.